Hello, everybody. Camping at Padre Island. Stay tuned. Watch till the end. Important message about Padre Island and how you can help. Padre Island is located off the southeast coast of Texas, between Corpus Christi and Brownsville. Padre Island is 60 miles long and there's only one way in and one way out. You can camp on the beach for free for up to 14 days anywhere along those 60 miles. Plenty to see and do on beautiful Padre Island. We chose to camp at Malachite Campground, which is on Padre Island. It still gives us a beautiful view of the Gulf and enjoy the wildlife around and hiking. They actually have flush toilets and showers there. It's $14 a night or $7 a night if you're a senior citizen. So sit back and relax and let's take a look in and around Padre Island. Hey everybody, welcome back. Are you a person who loves wildlife, respects nature, and appreciates the beach? Please stick around and watch the rest of this video. Do you know what this is? This is a plastic bottle that either washed up on the beach or someone carelessly left it. And that triangular shape at the top, or arrow-shaped, whatever you'd like to call it, is actually a turtle bite. Now, fortunately for that turtle, he did not get it bit through. According to the internet, over 1 million marine animals, including mammals, fish, sharks, turtles, and birds, are killed each year due to plastic debris in the ocean and on our beaches. That's pretty sad, people. Wildlife dying due to human carelessness. Can we make a difference? I like to think we can, for the wildlife and future generations to come. Well, that is, of course, unless the future generations enjoy trashy beaches. Let's take a look at what my husband and I discovered at Padre Island, just a small section of the beach, and how you can help. Just look at the pieces of plastic all over the beach. The poor wildlife may think that's food and try to eat it. Sure wouldn't be good for them. What a mess. All sorts of trash and garbage. And look at this, even a foot sole. So my husband and I grabbed a couple of trash bags and went to work. We were able to fill 2 bags in 22 minutes. So, if you respect the environment and would like to help, please leave the beach more clean than the way you found it. Hey, if you like the video, please hit that like button. And please subscribe. We'd love to have you join us on the journey. You all have a wonderful day and safe travels. Bye-bye.